Do-It-Yourself Del here, and I was looking at the paper and I came across an interesting article which I would like to share with a larger audience. It has to do with quagga mussels. Previously, you may have heard of zebra mussels, where they destroy wooden sunken ships and so forth, and they're an invasive species that takes over, and they cling to the bottom of ships and so forth and do a lot of damage. Well, what's new is that apparently a Ukrainian ship had dumped their ballast into the Great Lakes system, and somehow it got in. One lake is exempt. I think that's Lake Superior. But what they call them now, they call them quagga mussels, and they have multiplied, and they've done a lot of damage to the sunken ships and airplanes in the other 4 Great Lakes. An enormous amount of damage. So I just wanted to show. There it shows a scuba diver there diving. I think it's on a P-38. If you're a scuba diver, this is definitely of interest to you. You better hurry up and dive on those ships if you want to see them. And there was one airplane too that apparently these quagga mussels had done an enormous amount of damage to the sunken plane. So, do-it-yourself, Del. Now for a second article, came across. The camera can't see right now, but we have a lot of VHS tapes around here, and I'm talking in the hundreds, that one of our fans she had donated to us. And so I started thinking that when it's ancient technology, and obviously the modern technology has taken an older system and improved on it immensely. But I came across this article in a certain section of town. There's this couple that started a business with respect to these technologies that are decades old, and they sell things, they repair things, and I thought I thought it was interesting that and here again the article's in 2 places. And see if I can show you the second part of it. Nope, I guess I won't have the second part of it for you. But it is continued, and I think they've been at it about 5 years. So if you're have things that need to be repaired that are older technology, or if you want to buy items, these are your people, and they're a recent local article within the article came out within 4 days, I think, of today, but you may not be seeing this video for a while. So there's that. So there's 2 items there that I thought you might be interested in, that might find their way to a larger audience through me. So, Do-It-Yourself Del signing off for now.